We are recording now. We are recording now. This is the newest ride that I built because the Wheel of Fate is more coming soon. You know, the two rides that are finished and the Aguila is not finished yet. This is the Eclipse ride. So this is the... I think this ride is not gonna work. Let's see if it's working.
Pagdali mo nga i-charge mo to. Sugar. Oo. Dadali mo yung body na
I think it's gonna work.
Para dun sa sasakyan. Sasakyan mo ganito. Hindi mo mainit.
Magdala ka na lang ng malpay.
No! Yan na ako. Mapalpay ko pa yung
And the waterfall.
Masarap ba sila?
My enchanted
Alam ko na yung cake. Tumuhi yan.
These are not the broken. This ride is totally... I don't think this is perfect.
Ginagaw na. Pag sila mo, ang buong. Diyan sa ano?
So, let's go!
Siguro marami sa akin sa Jackson ko.
Okay.
Sa akin mas marami sa batin.
The ride was so cool. And the parking anchors away, and this is the balloon ride. The newest ride in my kingdom.